Hi guys, I woke up like this with my car like this. How can I drive? And I'm going to work. Look at guys, how can I drive my car like this? Look at that. Wait, I need to put my gloves on just a minute. Oh, shaka. Oh, oh my god. Wait. Look at guys. I need to remove this or I can't drive. Oh my god. Oh, shaka. See, look at that. How can I remove this, guys? I need to go from here. Look. Oh my god. It's hard. Look, guys. Oh my god. See? Look. Oh my god. I can do this. I can do this. Look at this. Oh, I give up. Look. Gee. Oh my god. How can I look? Shaka. Look. Oh my. Shock. Oh. Oh, shock. Oh my god. Shock. Can I open my car? I need to start it now. Oh my gosh! Guys, help me please. Look at this. It's crazy. See, look at that. Guys, look at that inside my car. How can I do that? How can I? And look at my gloves. I still need to show. Look. Oh my god. How can I do this? Aray. Look. How long it will take this? I give up. No, I can do this. I've never give up. I will never ever give up. Never give up in my life. You know? Never. My hand is so cold. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. Oh my god. Oh, shock. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm pretty. Hey guys, still not done. Look at that. Oh my god. My hands is like, I think my hands has frostbite, guys. I think I'm going to have frostbite. Like that. Oh my god. Help! ka. Oh my. Oh, come on. Oh guys, it's crazy. Do you think I can drive like this? I mean, I can already drive. There's a lot of snow. So let's see. Look, do you think my car can... This guys, where's my car nag-go? Oh. Huh? Agak na ada mga. Ayun, let's see. I don't know, I can't anymore. I can't do this. My hands are so cold. Guys, I can't. Oh, oh, wait. Oh, my hands. Oh, guys, my hands are so. If I can move my hands. I miss having a garage. Garage, guys. I used to live in a house. Anyhow. Okay, guys. See you later. I'm so tired. I think I have a frostbite. Hi guys, now I'm driving to work. Finally, my car is running now. I'm afraid that because of the snow is huge, that my car can't make it. Thank God. But I need to be very, very careful because there's a lot of black ice out here right now. Oh my. I think we're expecting a lot of snow this week. We're expecting a lot. I need to drive so slow. So slow. I hope they already put a salt here. I think so. See, guys? You need to bring 3 gloves. I just bring with me 2 gloves. Now I have no more gloves. Oh my gee. Anyhow, guys, let's just be positive. It's just a test in life, right, guys? This is nothing. Never give up. This is nothing. You know? This is nothing. This is nothing. Anyhow, guys, this is Maria Van, just sharing you my experience on shoveling the snow in my car. The first time I've done this. I mean, yeah, first time living in Chicago for a long time. It's the first time I have done this. That you know, that there's a lot of snow in my car. You know what I mean? Anyhow, have a great day, guys, and stay healthy, and I'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye. Ouch! Hey, guess what? I'm glad I survived. Oh my, you have a great day, okay?